Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 21 Harrington Drive of the prestigious Woodcliff community in Fairport.
This is the ultimate designer showcase ranch right on the golf course. So let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends with this impressive foyer with marble floors open to a stunning great room with an entertainment-sized dining area with Brazilian cherry floors and a living area with cathedral ceilings and an impressive stone wall with a fireplace and media viewing, plus a retractable chandelier.
This is spectacular open living featuring a designer eat-in kitchen with Brookhaven cabinets by Woodmode, high-end appliances, granite countertops, a center island, and porch access. Open to a family room with built-ins and transom windows, all with golf course views. The first floor also features an incredible cathedral ceiling master suite with a spa bathroom and a walk-in closet. A guest suite with a full bathroom, and an office and laundry, plus a powder room. A gorgeous open staircase leads to the ultimate finished lower level, with a living area great for additional living space, leading to 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this home's 3rd master suite. Enjoy nature at its best with a covered porch and this entertainment-sized patio with beautiful landscaping and front row seats to take in those golf course views. Horizon Point offers maintenance-free living, steps away from prestigious Woodcliff Hotel and Spa. Nearby many parks, Eastview Mall, and the village of Fairport.
Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 21 Harrington Drive of the prestigious Woodcliff community in Fairport.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!